Hey guys, I wanted to show you something about the Blink app that comes on the phone. This is the iPhone version, but it doesn't matter. I don't think either version will work. So let's say you want to... Okay, well here's the example. So this is the studio where I have 3 cameras set up. This is our pottery studio. So I'm going to go and hit studio, and you got to drop down. Now I can switch over to vacation condo, which I don't have vacation condo, it's just my house. But I thought it'd be funny because it was an example in the manual, so I used it. But anyway, so you name your... I have 2 different systems that are running off of this program. So I would select either one. Right now I'm under studio, so I select studio. But what I really want to do is I want to schedule when the system's going to be on and when it's going to be off, because my girlfriend is going to be there, and it says, okay, she's going to be there on Friday. She's going to come in from 9:30 until 1:45, out from 1:45 to 3:15, and then back in from 3:15 to 5:30. So obviously when she's in the studio, I don't need the surveillance cameras on. She'll just be activating them the whole time, and it's going to waste the battery. So what I want to do is have the system switched off for these 2 time periods and on in between. Well, how do I do that? Well, you go to scheduling, click on scheduling. Here's Friday. Okay, so Friday, she's getting there at 9:30. So we're going to go... here's where I had already set a previous activation, deactivation I should say, but it doesn't matter. This is what happens. You press on Friday, or any day actually, because here you select the day of the week, and here you select the time, and here you select the action, arm or disarm. So since here, let's go back. Since the shaded areas are when the camera is on and the light areas are when the camera is off. Get it? So shaded areas on, the blue, and then the white areas are off. So what I want to do is I want to turn the system off. So I'm going to click on this one here, which is where it said 7 a.m. So we're going to go 9:30 a.m. So I'm going to go to the 9, halfway between 9 and 10. So it does it in increments of 15 minutes. So I could go 9, 9:15, 9:30. You can't get any more specific than that. A.m. on Friday, disarm. Right? Hit save, and it pops up. See how it moved? It moved from the previous spot. The previous spot had been at like 8 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 9:30. So that's going to last until 1:45. Let's see where this one was set. That was set at 1:30, so I'm going to notch that up to 1:45 p.m. And then the system is going to be armed. I'm going to arm it at 1:45 on Friday. Make sure you check the date. Hit save. Okay, so now the system is on. It's off at 9:30. Here's the numbers on the side in military time. So subtract 12 if it's greater than 12, and you'll get the PM time. So it's on until it's switched off at 9:30. Then it comes back on at 1:45. Now I want to have that be on until 3:15. So I'm going to go to this one, which is off. So it's going to be, I'm going to disarm it at 3:15, and actually that is 3:15 already, so save that. And then she's going to be in the studio from 3:15 until 5:30. Okay, so it's off, on, and then it's going to be off again till 5:30. Which is this? 5. Okay, so we'll switch it till 5. We'll go 5:30. Arm the system. Save. And there you go. And then it also saves previous ones. So like, let's say every other Friday she stays until whatever time this is, 8 o'clock. I can switch this off, disarm, and then it'll be disarmed until 8 o'clock. And then the following one, I can go back like this, arm it, and then you're back. So it can save previous ones, and then you can just toggle these, which is really nice. So anyway, that's how you can use your system to save batteries and arm and disarm according to times on specific days of the week. It only does a weekly schedule, though, no monthly schedule or anything like that. But you know, with a very minimal amount of effort and a very low learning curve, you can set up that to schedule, and then you can make it different for your vacation condo. Go to vacation condo, and then hit scheduling, back, scheduling, and then you have a blank screen. So right now this is on all the time at my quote vacation condo, but if I wanted to turn it off occasionally I could. And then yeah, you can toggle back and forth between the two. So here's studio, back to studio, and yeah, scheduling, and it shows the entire schedule. So there you have it. That's how you use the Blink app in order to schedule turning on and off the system. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Subscribe. It helps the channel, and like it if you like it. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the slot below, and I'll be happy to try to answer them for you. So have a great day.